Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now during tea time we enjoy a variety of sweets and savory snacks. Today I'm going to share a wonderful cake recipe that's perfect for tea time. This is Eggless Mawa cake. Now I have made a recipe on how to make homemade khoya because that's one ingredient that is used in this cake. I'll give you the link in the description, you can check it out. So now why wait, let's get started and check out how to make this delicious mawa cake. For the mawa cake, I'm going to first mix the dry ingredients. For this, to the bowl add 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. So this is a 250 ml cup. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add about 3/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Just adding a pinch of salt. So mix the dry ingredients and keep this aside. To another bowl, we're going to mix the wet ingredients starting with 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar. If you want, you can also use powdered sugar. Next, add about 75 grams of unsalted softened butter. Next, cream the butter and sugar together. Now add the dry ingredients to the butter and sugar mixture. Next, add 1/2 cup of khoya, that is the mawa. To this, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of boiled and cooled milk and 1/4 cup of curd. You can also use yogurt. So now beat everything together. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. So beat the batter nicely till it's nice and creamy. So finally, I'm just going to add a few saffron strands and mix it into the batter. So it's going to be a very nice, beautiful, wholesome cake with all the flavors of cardamom, saffron and vanilla essence. So I've taken a small cake tin. So grease the bottom and the sides of the tin with a little butter. Place the butter paper for the base. Chop a few pistachios to garnish on top of the cake. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Bake the cake for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. So the mawa cake is done. It smells incredible. Now I can't actually wait to have a piece of that cake. A good indication to check if the cake is cooked through is when you put a skewer stick through it. It comes out nice and clean. So this is a good indication that the cake is cooked through. So you can see the lovely golden color on top of the cake. It's got a lovely crust. Cool the cake completely before you cut it into pieces. So there you go, here's this absolutely delicious, soft and spongy mawa cake. that you can enjoy during your tea time, and you can try this recipe, share it with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out for you guys.